Thank you, bro. Thank you, Ramiro Salinas Gabriel. Thank you, bro, Rashid. Good. Rashid Godwin Ellie. Matthew Sheehan, how are you, bro? Apparently, there are many people watching right now, so I will unmute myself. So you can ask away, bros. The initial plan is to have this video on mute because I want to just chillax, have a work with me video, just working on McFarlane Toys Captain America 1/6 scale statue with a comic book paint style. So we primed the statue using flat clear. This is the groundwork, or this is the plan. Comic book paint style prime using flat clear. Why are we using flat clear? Because it adds a transparent layer that acts as a primer. It helps the paint adhere to the surface, and the base color of the figure will not change. It also has a matte finish. So we're done with that. That's the first step. We are going to prime using flat clear. Done. Add shadows. This is what we are doing right now. We're adding shadows. And then after that, we are going to add highlights. First layer, add highlights, second layer. And then we are doing the line art. So in line art, after the line art, yung mga major na line arts, ito yung mga black lines. We are going to do the fine detailing after that. So fine detailing includes cross-hatching, feathering lines, mga transition lines. And then after that, you can we can add an extra layer of highlights. So that will be highlights number 3. And then after that, top coat. Then we're done. So right now, we are in the process of adding shadows using Hero Paints, Prussian Blue, and Navy Blue. Alright, let's go. And again, thank you very much, Bro Depot, for sending the statue for unboxing, review, and customization. I'm using a fairly larger brush here kasi medyo malaki yung 1/6 scale. Yan. So, yung motion ng brush natin, yung entry point niya, press, and flick. Press and flick. Something like that, okay? Press and flick, press and flick. Ito rin. Press and flick. Okay. Okay. Yan. Meron ba kayong mga questions about toy customizations? Alright, we're almost done with blue. Then after this, we're going to use turquoise. Okay. 사랑해요. Alright. I think we're done with blue. With dark blue. Initial pass pa lang naman to eh. Kaya don't worry about the details. Yan. Okay, next color. Teka. Dapat ma-reach ko yung place na yun. Yung ano na yun. Teka lang ah. Kailangan maliit yung brush natin. Ito kaya. Medyo mahirap nang abutin tong place na to ah. Ingat lang kasi kailangan di ko madikitan yung yun lang. Bali, lalagyan na lang natin ng ano yan, ng black, yung kanyang face. Ito lang isang disadvantage pag nagpe-paint tayo ng statue. Hindi ko, ang hirap ma-reach ng ibang ano, ng ibang sections. Unlike kapag action figures, nababaklas natin, mas madali natin siya mapinturahan. Okay, hello. So, medyo ano muna, no, mute ko na muna saglit. Pag may nagtanong na lang, unmute ko na lang ulit. Makinig muna tayo sa mga favorite nating music. Kapag may tanong kayo, magtanong lang kayo mga ma'am sir. Pero i-mute ko na muna to. Okay? Yan. Ito yung next color na gagamitin natin. Light turquoise tsaka capri blue. O kaya, pwede tayong mag-apply ng white siguro. Kasi ang base color niyan, ito na eh, yung blue na eh. So, dapat mas light pa rito. Mas light pa dun sa blue. So, ito na yung first highlight.
Oo, meron akong 50 pesos.
Okay, to mag-start na tayo mag-add ng lighter shade. So, dito ang gamit ko white, ultra white from Hero Paints, yung stronger coverage. Tapos yung white primer and then turquoise. Tapos ito na yung color niya. Teka, start tayo rito sa likod. Just in case di natin gusto yung rehistro niya. Okay? Sa akin, okay naman. Ganda rin ng texture na ito. Yan. So, pwede tayong mag-exceed or mag feather, pwede natin i-paint yung mga kabila, yung mga adjacent na sections para mag-feather yung effect niya. Ano? Alright. Ganda rin pala to pag may texture yung ano, yung pinipintahan. Parang automatic na siya, hindi mo na kailangang ano, pag dinaanan mo siya ng brush, made-define na yung kanyang texture. Tapos after nito, pwede tayo mag-dry brush ng lighter color para ma-emphasize din yung, kunwari dito sa area na to, ano, makikita yung mga edges. Nagkakaroon ng edge highlights. Hirap lang abutin ng part na yun. Same thing dito sa sa smoother areas. So flicking motion lang. Ayan o. So same thing dito sa gagawin natin sa mga folds. Okay. Hindi ko pala nalagyan to ng dark blue. Okay. Dito tayo sa legs. Dito kasi mas kitang-kita yung effect ng ng highlights. So, demo ko sa inyo dito. So, press and flick. Ayan. Lakas ng blue. Lakas ng blue na color. Ooh, nice. Yan, gusto ko yung mga gantong preferred ko yung mga gantong klaseng mga strokes. Yan. Hey, uh, Nico Rosales. This is the sign that I needed to get the ML20th cap. Kahit may pagka-expensive. Maraming salamat, sir. Last on, Anubis crew, you're the best. Can you save the life? Yes, yes, of course. This will be available. I will also upload this in my YouTube channel. Yes, of course, bro. Thank you. Wait, wait, wait. Let me add some white. More white. Modi Michaels. I was literally exploring through your work last night and wanting to see this in action. Oh, let's go, let's go.